So far this year, we've celebrated everything from New Year's Day to National Pizza Day. So when I found out that today was Barbershop Quartet Day, I thought it'd be fun to bring in a classic barbershop quartet to join us while we whip up an old-fashioned milkshake.
Goodbye, my Coney Island baby.
To make it, all we do is combine some vanilla ice cream with some milk, sugar, and a good amount of frozen strawberries. We'll give it a whirl, and once it's smooth, pour it into tall glasses. After fancying it up with lots of whipped cream and fresh berries, it's ready to enjoy. That's all there is to it. And if you have an old-fashioned milkshake blender, all the better. So if you're craving an old-fashioned treat that'll bring back all sorts of memories, all you need to do is head over to our website and get a copy of what we call our Memory Lane Milkshake. It may sound simple, but the harmony of flavors is timeless.
So goodbye, farewell, so long forever. Goodbye, my Coney Island. Goodbye, my Coney Island. Goodbye, my Coney Island.
Do they sound amazing or what? I'm Howard with the Cameo Barbershop Quartet in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a nostalgic way for you to say,
Ooh, it's so good.
hey, that's my line. Here you go, guys.